In this step-by-step tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable ad blocker in Chrome. To turn off the ad blocker in Google Chrome and allow ads on all sites, follow these steps. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings tab, navigate to the Privacy and Security section and click on Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Additional Content Settings, then select Ads. Toggle off the option that says Block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. But to allow ads on a specific site, follow these steps. Go to a website that trusts but has blocked ads. Click on the padlock icon or secure button on the top left web address in this address bar. In the drop-down menu, click on the arrows next to ads and select Always Allow ads on this site. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.